Hi, are you noticing that you're getting some lines and wrinkles above the lip area or even around the lip area? Today, I'm going to show you some really wonderful gua sha techniques that you can do to really smooth out the lines around your mouth and also to plump your lips naturally. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, you want to make sure that you have some face oil and your gua sha tool ready. We're going to start by applying a little bit of face oil here to the lip area and also around the smile lines over here to the lower part of our face. This is really important to make sure that we have some slip when we're doing the gua sha. So we're just going to start by doing some quick lymphatic drainage. This is really important before we do any kind of gua sha routine at all. It's always just to start opening up the lymph nodes and making sure that we have some good drainage. So just taking a couple seconds here doing this can really make a big difference before we start the routine. Okay, so now we take our gua sha tool and you want to place your finger here for support and take the small rounded edge here, and then you're going to glide all the way out, and you want to do it so it's half is above the lip and half is on the lip. So it looks like this. Great. And we're going to go on the other side. And you want to make sure here that you're holding here the lip for support and then gliding all the way out. And as you see, I'm not kind of doing this. I'm putting it at an angle like this. We're going to do this again on the bottom lip. And go to the other side. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to take the tool and I'm going to glide all the way from here down to here and then up again. So it looks like this. So make sure you have some oil here in this area as well now. Hold your fingers here for support. This is going to release the tension here around the smile lines and also here in the lower part of our face, because why we're getting these lines and wrinkles here is probably because we're tensing our mouth a lot. So we're kind of going like this when we're thinking, kind of doing this. So it's just about releasing the tension around the mouth area, and that's what's going to help smooth out the lines and wrinkles and also going to help plump the lips naturally. Great, we're going to go on the other side. I don't know about you, but I can definitely feel the releasing of all the tension here in this area. So this is such a wonderful technique to do to really smooth out and release the tension. Great. Next, just to end this routine, I'm just going to take my fingers here and with the long edge right here, smooth it out all the way. We're going to go on the other side. Hold your fingers here. Wonderful. Are you feeling a difference in your lip area now? Have you released the tension in the lip area? This is such a wonderful practice that you can come back to at any point. Even if you're doing the whole full Gua Sha routine, this is an add-on that you can do at the same time. So this is really such a wonderful technique to plump the lips naturally and to release the tension. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, go check out my full Gua Sha tutorial here where we're focusing on the entire face. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.